See, first thing is about the smuggling case. When it comes to the smuggling case, when she was caught doing a crime, during the crime, she has tried to contact some Congress ministers, trying to use their influence and try to get out of the problem she got into. And now it is almost in the public domain that two ministers are involved in that. They have tried to help her and they are trying to help her. Now the CBI has taken over the case. Surely something solid will come out of it, and we'll surely know who is behind all these things, who is behind this gold smuggling and related issues also. As far as the land allotted to a company owned by her is concerned, it was the CBI is investing this case also. Obviously, even that point will be probed. But as far as we know, we have asked in the KDP also, there was no illegality in the land allotment. The land allotment process has been followed, and the only problem with the Congress government, what the Congress people are telling is, it has been allotted fast. It might be the efficiency or it might be the process. But CBI is taking care of the case. Everything will come out in the open. We don't have any issues with them. They themselves can conduct an inquiry into how the KDP land was allotted. But as far as the smuggling case is concerned, it is a proper crime against the government, and obviously the state government minister should have kept away from it. But they are not keeping away from that, and they are trying to involve themselves in that by trying to get her out. If she opens her mouth, maybe even these ministers might get into trouble.